We have already marked out this roof and prepped it for clips. We're in the process now of getting ready to set the clips. For more information on how to calculate your layout on the roof and everything, check out our videos on heatcable.com or check out the links below this one. You'll be able to find some more sources on that. Right now, we're going to go into how to set the clips, how to work with the shingles, how to protect the shingles, and set this up so that your system's going to last for a long time. The tools you're going to need are, one, a pry bar or a flat bar that's low profile. You're going to want your clips. We have black clips, silver clips, depending on which one you want. You're going to want your adhesive and a caulking gun to be able to get the glue on the clips. Before gluing this clip in place, I want to explain the layers here in the shingles. You have a shingle, you have an ice and water shield layer, and then you have your drip edge. The ice and water shield is something you need to understand has a grainy, sandy surface to it that glue does not bond to. So if you glue this straight up in there and glue it to the surface of the ice and water shield, it will lift up over time, creating a pocket that water and things can find its way underneath, and it looks bad. So we have on these clips a drop-down tab. If you can see that tab I push down, that tab gives you a surface area bonded to the clip to glue to the face of the drip edge. When you slide that in, that glue will bond, hold it down. The glue on the top side of the flange will bond to the underside of the shingle, giving you a secure hold and not worrying about our ice and water shield. It also extends the heat cable out past the drip edge, allowing water to drop into the gutter freely and clearing the drip edge and the backside of the gutter. Now you're going to take the glue and put just enough glue on this clip, about the diameter of a pencil. So you got plenty of glue on there, and then put a dab of glue right up down that drop down tab, okay? This should give you plenty of glue that's going to come out through the holes on the top, bonding to the shingle. Plenty of glue on the tab to glue to the face of the drip edge. Now, if your shingle lifts freely, that's great. If not, use your flat bar to raise it just a little bit, but don't lift the shingle to where you to the point where you'd start tearing it. Slide this in, press down, and allow that glue to spread underneath, bonding to the surface as needed. That will cure over time and be secure, ready for cable to go into the clip. Installing your clip up in the field of the roof, you're going to want to take care of the shingle with the bar and release the glue strip underneath, or tar strip. But don't lift the shingle by doing this. You will tear the shingle and damage the roof. So take a simple couple jabs at it and let it work its way loose, okay? Go into it sideways. You can see I'm gaining a little bit of room there that I can now slip that clip freely up inside. That is what we're wanting, not a full lift and tear the shingle up. Now you're going to apply the glue to the bottom side of the flange and put a generous amount on the entire surface of the clip. This will allow for the glue to bond on the bottom side and come through the perforated holes on the top, gluing to the top of the shingle, or the bottom of the top shingle. Now let's lift this up, slip the tab under the shingle, and simply press it down, pushing the glue around underneath, giving it a good bond to all the surfaces in the area. I prefer, when I set this clip, to leave about a 1/2 inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch of the flange exposed, giving me a little bit of room to get the cable up into that clip and closing it free of clear of the shingle so it doesn't catch on that. Gluing the clips in this fashion is going to create a stronger hold than the tar strip under the shingle. So these are going to stay put for a long term, probably as life of the shingle or life of your roof. If you need to replace the roof, that's probably when the shingles or the clips are going to be coming out and replaced. So this should help give you a solid system. It's going to last you a long time.